Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's virtual lesson on Technique Board Paper. I'm Karen Lagawad, one of your instructors for today's session, and I hope you're all ready to dive into some exciting learning. So, this lesson will explore the importance of effective note taking as a learning strategy, and will delve into the benefits of structured note taking and how it can enhance understanding and retention of information. So, this lesson is particularly relevant for students of all levels as it equips them with valuable skills for academic success. So, before we're going to proceed on our lesson, we're going first to identify and know the objectives of this lesson. So, first is understand the benefits of effective note taking, identifying key elements of structured note taking approach, and third is apply note taking techniques or board paper techniques to enhance your learning experience. So it says here that this techniques is to model and shape how students should take notes in order to capture the information you present. So this technique focuses on teaching students how to take effective notes by modeling and shaping their note taking process. And it's not just about copying what's on the board but understanding the why and how of note taking for optimal learning. So let's proceed to the benefits of this technique. It says here that um, clear understanding wherein student grasps this content better when they have structured way to record it, and to improve retention, students are more likely to remember the information they've taken notes on. So that's why when going to model and shape, note taking is for the instructors. They use modeling to demonstrate the process of taking notes, highlighting key points and using visual aids. And for the shaping is to guide students to practice note taking using modeled approach. Now, for example, is imagine a science class where the teacher is explaining a complex concept. They might model how to take notes on a concept map using specific colors and arrows to connect different ideas. So students then practice taking notes on a different concept map using the same format. So for our short evaluation questions is we will be going to answer questions and I will be giving you 20 seconds to answer every questions. Yes, every question. So are you ready? Okay, very good. For our first question is what are the two main benefits of effective note taking? Okay, are you ready? Your time starts now. Okay, time. Yes, indeed, that clear understanding and improved retention is the two main benefits of this technique. So, second question is what does the board paper technique involve? Are you ready? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, time. Yes, it involves modeling and shaping how students take notes. Okay, for our third question is in example provided, what visual aid was used to illustrate note taking? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, time. Okay, very good. It's a concept map that the teacher used to illustrate note taking. Okay, for our last question is, why is it important to understand the why and how of note taking? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, time. Yes, very good. It is to ensure that notes are effective for learning and retention. Okay, class, and I hope the objectives that we have discussed a while ago is, I hope, is may natutunan kayo, and you can identify the elements of a structured note-taking approach, and you can apply note-taking techniques in our next lesson. Okay, thank you for listening and goodbye.